Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is day 11 of the Yarn Advent Calendar, and you can see Phoebe is just raring to go for her special bag. I hope you're all having a great day. We are having a good day here at our home. I've spent the last couple of days driving in the car, and that doesn't work for me because I have lots of projects I want to make, and you can't make projects and drive around all day. So I was able to stay home today, and I fully took advantage of it. I got up this morning. Well, I took after a couple of days driving in the car. My legs and feet were just so swollen last night, and I was just in miserable pain and just felt horrible, as you can imagine, spending that much time in a vehicle. And so I went ahead and took a sleeping pill last night to help me relax and sleep well. And so I woke up this morning about 9, and I got up, and I still kind of felt a little groggy. I said, I don't have anywhere to go today. I am going to lay back down. And so I did, and I got a good bit of sleep. So I'm feeling a lot better. And so we are ready to get on with day 11. Aren't we, Phoebe? You ready? You ready? I know you are. So let's see what you got today, Phoebe. Oh, Phoebe, I feel something. Oh, look, Phoebe. A toy. She's like, where's the treat? A toy. Look. Now, you know you love toys. She's like, yeah, but I like treats better. Do you want your toy? You want your toy? Phoebe. Here, let's cut the tag off real quick. Oh, so she thinks I'm going to get a treat out of this drawer. She does have a treat drawer, but it's not on this side. She knows where it's at because she hangs off the desk looking down to it a lot of times when she wants a treat. All right, here you go. Here's your treat. Today you got a plushie today. Okay? We need to lay off the treats, okay? Okay, I'm going to open my baggie 11. She'll get a treat, don't worry. I'm going to open my baggie 11 and see what I have in here today. Ooh, I got a treat. Look, Phoebe, we got yarn. We got yarn, Phoebe. Okay, so this yarn is red, black, and gray. Red, black, and either gray or white. It's a little bulky yarn. And someone asked me how much yarn was on these balls. I think someone asked me that. I don't know. I haven't measured or anything. I know it's enough to make those little stockings, and I don't know how much it takes to make the stockings. Sometimes it's barely enough. Sometimes I have a good bit left over, and I was just throwing it off to the side here because I'm just going to make up some little flowers that can be added to things later as I need them. And one day it was not enough. And so I had to go through my stash and found a color that was close enough to finish off that little stocking. So this will make up an interesting little color. Looks like a manly color to me. And it's soft, so I think this is charisma, my guess. And I have a Christmas card to share with you all today. This is from, let me make sure I got, make sure I got it with the right envelope. This is from Cindy Kenny, and Cindy is a faithful subscriber and commenter to a lot of YouTubers, and I know we all appreciate you very much, Cindy. I know that I do, and other YouTubers do also. But yeah, Cindy sent this beautiful card wishing you a festive season to carry you merrily through the year. Love, Cindy Kenny. Isn't that pretty? It's sparkly. I was going to show you that. See how sparkly it is? That's so pretty. And I love just like the vintage village in the background. So that's a beautiful card. I appreciate that very much, Cindy. Thank you for thinking of me and my family. And I'll hang this on my door with my little stockings. And I'm going to make a stocking with this. And I'll share with you the stockings that I have up real quick. Come on, Phoebe. Oh, the other thing in the bag, I just picked the bag up and felt a bit heavy, is a candy cane. So I'll probably munch on that while I make a stocking later on today. It's mine though, Phoebe. You need to get back over here. Come back over here, girl. Yeah, you're fine. Okay, so I'm going to get her little treats out. Give her a tiny little treat. Since that didn't have a treat that came with it. I'm a sucker. Okay, I'm just going to give you one little bitty treat. Come over here. Sit. Good girl. She's so spoiled. She has me wrapped. Oh, you ate that quick, didn't you? Yes, you did. Okay, so over here is the little stocking that was made with that black. Let me see if I can take that off and just show you all a little close-up of how that turned out. That would drive me crazy as a sock to wear on my foot. But it turned out to be a cute little stocking. It just has these little colored fuzzies, balls all over it. So interesting. All right, so Phoebe, get back. Sorry, she is just all over the camera there. Okay, Phoebe, get back on this side. I'm gonna share my desk with her. So I read Luke 11 this morning, and it was just a great reminder to pray. And not only to pray when we're in need, sick, or have, issues, but to pray for, others, and also to pray and be thankful for when we aren't in need. Everyone has lots to be thankful for. No matter what you're going through in your life, you can always find something to be thankful for. It's cutting off my forehead up there. So I'll leave you all today, and I will see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching.